What if I told you that the secret to unlocking professional-grade AI outputs has absolutely nothing to do with buying more expensive software or waiting for the next major model update? It comes down to a single variable that is entirely within your control right now: the quality of your instructions. Welcome to Lesson 2.2, where we take a direct look at the transformative power of the race prompt framework. In this session, we are going to walk through a fascinating side-by-side comparison. We will discover exactly how structured engineering transforms output quality, using the exact same business task, the exact same AI tool, and completely one variable: prompt quality. This lesson is designed to strip away the mystery of prompt engineering and show you the exact mechanics of what happens when you feed a large language model clear operational boundaries. First, we will revisit the unoptimized baseline from our previous lesson. Next, we will introduce a high-performing alternative built using our core framework. Then, we will analyze why that specific structure eliminates generic responses entirely. This comparison is vital for anyone who needs to produce high-value corporate deliverables that command immediate authority in the boardroom. Let us dive in and look at the dramatic shift that happens when you change how you communicate with artificial intelligence. Have you ever seen two professionals use identical tools but achieve completely opposite levels of success? The power of structured prompting becomes obvious the moment you look at the results side by side. Let us look back at what we discovered in our previous session. When we ran a weak, unoptimized prompt, the engine delivered an incredibly generic output. It provided shallow risk content, suffered from low professional credibility, and offered zero usability for stakeholders or project executives. Many beginners look at that failure and assume the tool itself is limited. But in this lesson, we are going to run a controlled experiment. We are repeating the exact same business task, building a project risk register, but this time we are using a professionally structured instruction set. It is absolutely vital to recognize that only one variable changes between these two runs: prompt quality. The underlying AI performance is not a fixed, rigid ceiling. Instead, it functions like a mirror that directly reflects the quality, precision, and depth of your instruction design. Let us look at the exact strong prompt architecture we used to achieve this dramatic upgrade in output quality. How do you transform a vague, single-sentence command into a highly precise corporate directive? You do it by moving away from casual text strings and embracing professional instruction design. Let us read the exact strong prompt formulated for this demonstration. You are a senior project risk manager supporting a $500 million United States dollars international EPC desalination infrastructure project being delivered under FIDIC Yellowbook. Prepare a professional project risk register using ISO 31000 principles. Include top 10 major project risks, risk category, likelihood rating, impact rating, mitigation strategy, early warning indicators, and ownership allocation. Present in executive workshop table format suitable for project leadership review. Let us unpack the dense layers of professional shorthand embedded in this single instruction block. First, notice that we did not just ask for risks, we explicitly defined a massive scale: a $500 million international infrastructure project. Next, we invoked precise legal and operational parameters by referencing an EPC framework, which stands for Engineering, Procurement, and Construction, and anchored it under the FIDIC Yellowbook, the global standard contract for plant and design build projects. Finally, we established the exact compliance standard by demanding ISO 31000 principles. This level of detail completely eliminates ambiguity, giving the AI an explicit map of the professional world it needs to operate within. Let us look at how this dense paragraph maps perfectly across our core structural framework. Why does this specific arrangement of words work so effectively, while simple requests fail? It succeeds because it systematically executes all four pillars of the RACE framework to eliminate uncertainty. Let us break down the architecture component by component. We begin with R for role, by stating, you are a senior project risk manager. We instantly establish the expertise, professional terminology, specific perspective, and authoritative tone the model must adopt. The system no longer pulls from low-value patterns. It targets elite corporate risk management standards. Next, we look at A for ask. The phrase, "prepare a professional project risk register," outlines the exact deliverable, the core output objective, and the precise scope of work required. Moving forward, we look at C for context, which is where we inject incredible environmental depth. By defining a $500 million United States dollars EPC desalination project under FIDIC Yellow Book, we anchor the model in real-world commercial realities, complex supply chain scales, and strict contractual frameworks. Finally, we address E for examples and format. By commanding the tool to include ratings, ownership allocation, and an executive workshop table layout, we define the exact structural presentation and ensure stakeholder usability. When you combine these four elements, structured prompts dramatically reduce uncertainty, and reduced uncertainty is the direct driver behind high-value professional output quality. Let us look at the actual asset generated by this refined framework. What does an executive-ready, professional-grade result actually look like when it drops out of a large language model? Look closely at the table generated on this slide. The AI produced a sophisticated multi-column matrix featuring exact headings: risk, category, likelihood, impact, mitigation, and ownership. Look at how the content has completely shifted from general concepts to highly specific project-level issues. For example, look at item 1, long lead membrane procurement delays. It correctly categorizes this under procurement, rates likelihood and impact as high, and provides a realistic mitigation strategy focused on early supplier engagement and alternate sourcing. Crucially, it allocates clear operational ownership to the contractor. Moving down to row 2, it identifies environmental discharge approval delays under the regulatory category, identifying the employer as the true risk owner. Look at row 3, marine intake construction weather disruption, which maps perfectly to the desalination context we provided. It suggests seasonal planning and lists ownership as shared. It goes on to identify interface clashes between EPC contractors under coordination and rising energy input cost exposure under commercial. This is not just a list of problems. It is an organized, executive-ready asset built using precise professional terminology and robust ownership logic. Let us contrast this directly with our weak prompt baseline to look at the immediate difference in credibility. If you were sitting in a high-stakes project review meeting right now, which of these two outputs would you want to have your name signed to? The credibility difference between an unoptimized run and a framework-driven run is immediate and profound. Let us contrast them across every key dimension. On the left-hand side, our weak prompt output gave us generic risks. On the right-hand side, our strong prompt output delivered project-specific risks tailored directly to a complex asset environment. Where the weak prompt offered vague mitigation actions, the strong prompt established realistic, actionable mitigation strategies. Look at the language pattern. The weak output uses standard wording, whereas the strong prompt leverages professional industry terms. Furthermore, the weak prompt left accountability completely blind with no ownership, while the strong prompt built in clear ownership allocation. Finally, we look at structure and credibility. The weak prompt produced a low-structure deliverable that carries zero professional weight. The strong prompt delivered an executive workshop format that is instantly leadership-ready. Always remember this core rule. The AI engine did not magically improve or upgrade between these two steps. The prompting improved. Prompt engineering is the single direct lever that determines whether you receive low-value noise or elite professional quality. Let us explore exactly why context serves as the ultimate catalyst for this transformation. Have you ever tried to brief a human consultant without giving them any background details about your company? It is a recipe for failure, yet people do it to AI every single day. Artificial intelligence requires environmental awareness to generate value. Let us look at the structural breakdown of why context changes everything. When you feed the model a weak context string, like write a risk register, the AI is left knowing almost nothing about your world. The industry sector, the operational scale, the contract type, and executive stakeholder expectations are all completely undefined. The model has no choice but to fill that vacuum with basic generalizations. But look at what happens when you introduce rich context. 500 million United States dollars EPC desalination project under FIDIC Yellow Book. Instantly, the AI understands the entire high-risk profile of the sector. It understands the massive delivery complexity, the international procurement environment, and the exact commercial balance of power dictated by the contract context. Because it has these parameters, the risk identification aligns perfectly with actual project conditions, rather than general concepts. The resulting outputs reflect realistic commercial and contractual dynamics that carry genuine professional weight. Context is the engine that transforms generic language patterns into highly accurate project intelligence. Let us move forward and look at our final structural dimension: why layout and formatting parameters are completely non-negotiable. Did you know that a piece of information can be 100% technically accurate, but still completely fail professionally if it is presented badly to your team? Output usability is an absolute core component of overall quality. This is why stakeholder formatting matters so deeply. Strong prompting must explicitly define the structure, the visual readability, and the exact communication expectations of your audience. Look at what happens when you leave out formatting guidance. The AI will often return a messy narrative output full of dense, unorganized text. It suffers from poor structure, inconsistent formatting, and low stakeholder usability because nobody can scan it quickly during a critical meeting. In contrast, a high-value risk workshop environment requires high readability structures. It requires clear risk categories, instant ownership visibility, distinct prioritization logic, and highly structured table layouts. Good AI output is never measured solely by raw data accuracy. It must also be immediately functional and usable within your business workflows. Therefore, formatting instructions are never an optional add-on. They are a mandatory pillar of professional prompt design. Let us summarize the ultimate takeaways from this entire side-by-side demonstration. As we bring this critical baseline comparison to a complete close, let us consolidate the core lessons from Lesson 2.2 so you can apply them directly to your own daily engineering and business workflows. We have established 3 clear truths that prove why structured prompting completely transforms AI performance. First, we looked at the reality of same AI, different results. We generated dramatically different outputs from identical underlying tools, proving that only the prompt changed between failure and success. Second, we demonstrated that the race structure works immediately. Every individual pillar you inject, role, ask, context, and examples, contributes a distinct, measurable quality improvement to the final asset. Finally, we established that professional credibility is designed. The massive leap in output value you saw today is not the result of hidden AI magic or software updates. It is the direct consequence of professional instruction design. Now that you understand the mechanics of context, roleplay, and layout control, you are ready to explore formatting optimization at an advanced level. Coming up next, in Lesson 2.3, we are going to look specifically at how advanced formatting instructions alone can dramatically alter an AI's communication style, target readability, stakeholder suitability, and professional presentation quality. I will see you in the next session.